What if I told you there's a wildcat that can leap higher than Michael Jordan without making a sound? Meet the Caracal, the silent jumper of the savannah. With its sleek, rust-colored coat and those striking black tufted ears, the Caracal looks like it stepped right out of a fantasy novel. But its real-life abilities are even more incredible. Caracals can spring up to 10 feet straight into the air to snatch birds mid-flight, making them one of nature's most astonishing acrobats. Despite being fierce hunters, they move with such grace and silence that their prey rarely senses what's coming. Their long, powerful legs are built for explosive jumps, while those black ear tufts aren't just for show. They help communicate subtle signals to other caracals. Living mostly alone, caracals are masters of stealth, blending perfectly into the tall grasses of African and Asian savannas. They can also run at speeds up to 50 miles per hour when chasing prey. Next time you see a photo of those piercing eyes and elegant ears, remember, this cat's silent leaps have inspired legends. Would you dare to challenge the caracal's incredible jump?